Okay friends, let's learn If You Don't Know Me By Now by Simply Red. Let's jump straight in. We've got the capo on the first fret. Our strumming pattern, because it's in 3/4 timing, is going to be a down, down, up, down, and that's one bar there. So we start for our intro, which is also our chorus. We have A for 2 bars. So down, 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 down. C sharp minor 7, 2 bars. Now this one we're going to change a little bit. We're going to start with a D sus2, do a down, and then go back to the D for up, down, down, and then just finish the D, down, down, up, down. So slowly. Down, down, up, down. Then we go into this F6 over A, and we're going to do that for 2 bars, but the last strum we're going to change the chord. So we're going to go to an F add sharp 11 there. So all we have to really do is take our little finger off and do that for 1 strum there. And we just play that through 2 times. Let me do that up to speed for you, starting on the A. That's our intro and our chorus there. Then from there we go into our verse, and again we just start with our A 2 bars, C sharp minor 2 bars, our D sus2 to our D, do it the same as before. Now this time we do a bar on E, and just down strums here, E over F sharp, E over G, and we do that 2 times. And then we go to C, 2 bars, a C at 11, 2 bars, a D minor 7, 2 bars. This one we're just doing all down strums, E over G, E 2 more times, E over F sharp, and E over G there, and that's our verse. So let me do each line once for you, starting on the A. And that's our verse there. From there we just go back to the chorus, do that exactly the same, verse again, and then chorus till end, and that's all the parts there. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.